G'day guys, welcome back. Welcome to the channel and welcome to this year's video on the 2020 Waipara River Run. So this is the yearly fundraiser for the Volunteer Fire Brigade, and this year we've built up a truck for it. You may or may not know. If you haven't, make sure you go check out the videos on that afterwards, but excuse the sun, it's over there behind me. Finished up at about 9 o'clock last night. As you would have seen in the last video, we got it complete. There we go. So I'm just waiting on Matt turning up with the transporter trailer, and then we'll load up and hit the road. So we made it down to the Waipara River Run. We've aired down, running 8 PSI front, 6 in the back, so nice and soft. Anyway, we can't wait to get into it. Just had the drivers meeting, so we're going to hit the road.
find someone to drive next to us while we go down. It's always the way. Yeah.
Starting to smell salty.
I know, right?
That they were worth about 80 to 100,000
Oh!
guys, so we're just down here on the beach. Unfortunately, these guys in their disco, the truck just overheated, so we're going to try to tow them to lunch, which is literally like 100 metres away. Oh, sorry about the dirty lens. There we go. Okay guys, as you can see we made it down to the beach, absolute crackaway spot. Super stoked to have made it in this thing because it's probably only run for 5 minutes before this. Anyways, time for some lunch. We'll go have a look at some trucks, cool off, and then head back up the river.
Right down there with one of the escorts.
Or if we do, make sure we film it.
Oi! Right here.
Yeah! Oh, drive shafts.
Hey, go to that one. So you just would have had to count one speed enough for you to go. Hey guys! Hey guys! Wait!
Stop!
Wait! Get your truck off now!
Alrighty guys, well that was a bit of entertainment, far out. Anyways, with the truck, my truck, battery's dead. It's just not holding charge. So once it's running on the alternator, alright, so just needs a new battery. So someone's kind enough to give us a jump start, so we'll go get it jumped and then head back towards the fire station for a barbecue. Alrighty guys, that does it for another year's event. It was an absolutely awesome event. Huge thanks to the organisers for putting on such a great event, and huge thanks to everyone who came out and supported the cause. Obviously being a fundraiser for the local volunteer fire brigade, can't get much better cause than that. Anyway, it was an awesome day. As you saw on the way back out, there was not an awful lot of filming. That's mostly because my truck was running pretty poorly. At the time we thought it was a battery dying, because it was a battery that we'd had lying around for years and years, but it was actually the alternator on the way out, so the truck basically drove the whole way back on the battery only. By the end it had no juice left and it was missing and popping and banging terrible. Anyway guys, stay tuned for more. I cannot wait to show you what we've got planned for the channel. There's some big stuff happening. Obviously with all this craziness of coronavirus shutting down pretty much the world, it's given me an opportunity to catch up on some video. But yeah, stay safe out there. Unfortunately it's kind of limiting what I can do in the way of filming, but at the same time obviously that's a small price to pay for staying safe. Anyway, we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and hit subscribe down below to stay tuned for more. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.